In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the parking brake shoes on this Volvo S60. These are going to be located behind the rear brakes. Let's get into it. Now we need to gain access to the adjuster underneath the boot right here. Just going to lift up on the lever, and then if you need to, you can use a trim tool, get underneath here and on the top, or you can just try to pull up and just separate this. This pulls up out of the way. That's out of the way. The adjuster nut is over here. Now using a 10mm socket, loosen up the nut. You don't want to take it off, you just want to loosen it. And then we'll lower the handle. That should be good. If you have to make an adjustment, loosen it more or tighten it. And then after we're done, we're going to make the adjustment and tighten it up. I'm going to use a 19mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling. And grab the wheel and pull it off. Now we're going to take the brake caliper and bracket off together. Use a 13mm socket. Loosen that up. Take those bolts out. Grab the caliper. Slide that off. Use the brake caliper hanger and just hang this out of the way. Just grab the rotor, pull that off. If it's stuck on, we're just going to use a hammer. Give it a tap. There we go. Pull that off. Now I'm going to take a wire brush. We're going to clean up the corrosion and rust buildup on the hub surface. Good. I'm going to take a thin coat of anti-seize just on the hub surface. That's good. Now I'm going to remove the spring. There is a special tool for removing this, but you don't need it. I'm just going to use some locking needle nose pliers. Just grip onto it, then push, and you want to slide it towards the back of the vehicle, and it comes right out. It unclips. And we'll do the same with the lower spring. Clip onto it, push it in, slide it to the back. So you can see where the back side of the spring is. That's going to move towards the back. I'm going to take this spring off. Just going to use some locking needle nose pliers. Just grab the spring, push it down, pull that out. You can grab the shoes. Spread this apart. Just pull that metal bracket out. And then I'll grab the lower shoe. Just going to fold that. Slide that out. You can take the spring off. Just like that. Take the new shoes. The spring, you're going to go in that slot there. And the other one's going to go right there. And we're going to push this on the same way it came off. It's going to go into that bracket and fold this underneath onto the bracket, just like that. Now take this bracket, get this started, get that lined up. That's good, just like that. And this spring. Get that started. Use the pliers and clip it on down below. That's good. Now the spring retainers, just clip those on. Get that lined up. Push it in. and slide it to the front. That's good. Do the same with the top one. Push it in, slide it to the front. Take the rotor, line it up. And you want to line one of the smaller holes up with that threaded hole there. Take the bolts, get that started, and snug this down. That's good. And take the hanger off the caliper. Slide that over the rotor. Make sure the pads are spread. There we go. Take the bolts, get those started. All right. Snug those down. And we're going to torque these bolts to 44 foot-pounds. That's good. Put the wheel on. Get that lined up. Take the lug bolts. Get those started. And snug those down. Now I'm going to torque these lug bolts to 103 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. That's good. Now we're going to adjust the parking brake cable. Just want to snug this up a little bit. You can feel how the parking brake lever feels. Tighten this up a little bit more. When loosening it, we loosened it about 10 turns. So going in, you want to go about 10 turns. A little bit more. Right there. That feels good. You want to, while this is down, have the rear wheels off the ground and turn the wheels. Make sure that the parking brake shoes are not rubbing, or if they're rubbing just a little bit, you don't want them to stop the wheels from turning. Otherwise, you'll have to make some adjustments. That feels good. So we're going to raise this up, take the boot, get the boot lined up. Get all the tabs lined up for the boot. And we secure that down. Should be able to spin it just like that. If you want, you can tighten it up so that it is too tight and then loosen it up a few turns until it spins nice. And then after you're done, you want to road test the vehicle, driving the vehicle about 18 miles an hour in a safe location. Pull up on the parking brake and allow it to stop the vehicle. That is how you're going to be able to bed in the parking brake shoes.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.